So I finally put one of the hutches in here and eventually put the second one on top. Or probably in another cage, probably somewhere else even. Yeah, on top might do. It's a bit dark, but finally got that pair. So yeah, new pair 4 and 5. Finally get them properly paired. The black pair, the boys molted now. Looking pretty good. And the gill. Jeez. Her crest grew back from all the fighting. Yeah. Just temporary. Got the food, got the water. Decided to put cardboard underneath because I don't want it to get dirty, get wrecked. Change it after every pair. There's quite a few pairs that I need to put in here. Need to go through here slowly. Much easier than one cocker cage.